Right, here is a quick install video of the No Limit steel replacement bed hinges or bed mounts, and we are replacing the Canam Defender plastic bed hinges. So first things first is you're going to take off the two nuts and washers using a 13mm socket. Once those are off, you're going to make sure that you grab the correct bed hinge. There's a passenger and a driver's side. So they bolt up like this. This is what it should look like for the passenger side. And I'm going to lift up with my shoulder here. I'm going to slide this off the stud. I'm going to pull this O-ring off. And then I'm going to slide the new bed hinge onto the stud here. And down into the position for lining up these holes. Trying to do this one-handed is not so fun. There we go. Then go ahead and grab your nuts. Just put maybe just one thread or so, so that you're able to do the same thing for the other side without these coming off. So we're going to go to the other side. We're going to pick up, we're going to pull the old plastic one off, pull the O-ring off, and then we're going to slide the new one on. Okay, now moving to the passenger side. We're going to pick up, let it set back down, pull the O-ring off, and then don't have your bed hinge all the way over there where you can't freaking reach it. Set it back down. Oh, that's a plastic one. Where'd my metal one go?
Right there on the side, yeah.
There we go. Then we're going to pick up, slide this on the stud. And then, so your bed, you'll see sometimes it's going to be hard to get those holes in. You just got to rotate the bed like this, and it slides right in. There we go. And then we'll go ahead and tighten everything up. So I'm going to do that real quick. Okay, I got these tightened down, both nuts on both sides, and should be able to do a little tilt here. And the install is complete.